Big plan. Alright guys, so we got that fender off as you can see, and you can see these big meat Larry Hoovers sitting right here. Look at that exposed fender well. I don't know, man, it looks pretty cool. You know, I think I might thug it like this for a couple weeks. What do you think? You know, to ride around like this until we get it painted. No, just fucking with you. But yeah, we got this off. I'm gonna go ahead and get this put in. Man, look at this fog light. This thing is gone, cuz. We gotta get a new little fog light thing for it. Let y'all slide you on up into your part. You got it there, my boy. Yeah, go ahead and get that situated. Yep. Look at it from this side. Yeah, damn. Oh, hit that motherfucker, that damn. I think I should hit that with a hammer, try to straighten it up. Hit on the back side, whap side. But now, like I was saying, all this is coming apart again, so eventually, maybe like a year from now, we'll be doing like a SEMA build, a real show build, talking about full motor swap. You know, all that good stuff like that, but we'll go ahead and get that one that we grabbed from the junkyard the other day on here. We should be good. Have it, man. Got that new fender in there. It looks 1,000 times better already, man. I can already say that. That's lining up a lot better. Once I get some brand new headlights in here, hopefully it won't be too distant, and I can definitely get it back further in there some more. I just gotta line it up. See that? Look at that. So, yeah, we're gonna be good. We alright. We alright, man. I'm thinking I might go ahead and replace this fender too, just because, you know. Looking at it, I mean, it wasn't nowhere near as bad as that side, but I don't know, man. That saved me a ton of work. Ton of work.
Yeah, Scotty too cool. Rebel Dre. Hey, hey, please. Yeah, got it.